A blinking blue light on a Sceptre typically indicates that the device is in sleep mode. There is a loose connection, or the drivers are outdated. To resolve these issues, one possible solution is to simply wait it out. If the Sceptre is in sleep mode, it can be awakened by moving the mouse or pressing a key on the keyboard. However, if the issue persists, it's likely that the monitor is not receiving a signal from the computer. In this case, checking the connections is essential. Ensuring the monitor's cables are securely plugged in and verifying the wall outlet is functioning properly are crucial steps. If the current outlet is suspected to be faulty, the monitor can be connected to an alternative outlet. If a fault is noticed with the electrical system, it's recommended to consult an electrician. Additionally, updating the graphics drivers can be an effective solution. This can be done by right-clicking the Start button, selecting the Device Manager, tapping Display Adapters, right-clicking the driver, and selecting the Update option, which allows the computer to search for and download available drivers. By following these steps, the blinking blue light on a Sceptre can be fixed.